Assalamu alaikum 7th class. Let's open your maths notebook. In our previous lecture we have been completed exercise 4.1. Today we will start the exercise 4.2. Firstly prepare your page, write date and classwork and draw margin line, then write exercise 4.2. First question is simplify by using the laws of exponent into the exponential form. आपने एक्सपोनेंट लाज को यूज़ करके एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में इनको सिंप्लीफाई करना है. इसके बाद आप ये एक नोट लिखेंगे, प्रोडक्ट ला का है, प्रोडक्ट ला एंड नोट 1. If bases are same and exponents are different, then add both exponents but base will remains same. अगर बेसिस जो हैं, बेस जो होती हैं वो दो नंबर्स हैं, उन नंबर्स की बेसिस सेम हैं लेकिन एक्सपोनेंट मतलब उनकी पावर्स डिफरेंट हैं, तो आप क्या करेंगे, एक्सपोनेंट्स को ऐड कर लेंगे लेकिन बेस सेम रहेगी. यह आपका फर्स्ट रूल है. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट द क्वेश्चन. First part is -4 exponent is 5 multiply -4 exponent is 6. According to this note, bases are same, -4 and -4 are same, and exponents which are 5 and 6 are different. So add exponents and base will remain same. Minus is equals to -4 raised to power 5 plus 6 is equals to -4. Now 5 plus 6 is equals to 11. This is your answer. Now see the second part. M cube multiply m raised to power 4 is equals to m, means bases are same, so write m as it is and add exponents 3 plus 4 in powers space. 3 plus 4 you can write is equals to m. 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. M raised to power 7. Next see the third part, which is 2 by 7 raised to power 3 multiply 2 by 7 square. Now again bases are same, 2 by 7, and exponents are different, so write base as it is 2 by 7 and add their exponents 3 plus 2. 2 by 7 raised to power 5. 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. Now see the fourth part, which is 1 by 10 raised to power 4 multiply 1 by 10 raised to power 5. Again write base as it is 1 by 10 and bases exponents are different, so add them. 4 plus 5 which is equal to 9. Answer is 1 by 10 raised to power 9. After the fourth part you will write the second note of the product law. Note number 2. If exponents are same and bases are different, then multiply both bases but exponents will remain same. अगर एक्सपोनेंट सेम होंगे मतलब पावर सेम होंगी और बेसिस डिफरेंट होंगी, तो आप बेसिस को क्या करेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे आपस में, लेकिन उनकी जो पावर होगी वो वैसे की वैसे ही रहेगी, सेम रहेगी. देन राइट द फिफ्थ पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. p raised to power 10 multiply q raised to power 10. You can see bases are different. First base is p and second base is q, and exponents 10 and 10 which are same. Now multiply the bases p multiply q and exponent you can write it at one time because these two exponents are same, so you can write it one time. Raised to power 10 is equals to p multiply q is equals to p cube raised to power 10. This is your answer. I hope you are understanding. Next sixth part is 2 by 5 raised to power cube multiplied to 5 by 7 cube. Again bases are different and exponents are same, so multiply bases. 2 by 5 multiply 5 by 7 and exponent which is 3 as it is. Now multiply 2 by 5 and 5 by 7. Numerator multiply by the other numerator and denominator multiply by the other denominator. 2 multiply 5 and 5 multiply 7. 2 5s are 10 and 5 7s are 35 raised to power cube. You can cut it by fifth table, which is 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35. You can also cut from your first step. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, and your answer will become 2 by 7 cube. Next seventh part, which is -1 by 2 raised to power 6 multiply minus 1 by 2 raised to power 5. This question is bases are same but exponents are different, so you will add the exponents and base will remain same. Minus 1 by 2 raised to power 6 plus 5 minus 1 by 2 raised to power 11. Next, eighth part is minus 3 minus 3 raised to power 7 multiply minus 5 raised to power 7. Here bases are different and exponents are same, so follow the second rule. Minus 3 multiply minus 5 and exponent is as it is, will as it is 7. Minus minus plus 3 5s are 15 raised to power 7. Next parts are also same as your previous parts. Part 9, 2 by 3 raised to power 10 multiply 2 by 3 raised to power 7. Exponents are different, so add them. 2 by 3 raised to power 10 plus 7, 2 by 3 raised to power 17. This is your answer. Next, see the 10th part. Minus 10 by 11 raised to power 7 multiply minus 10 by 11 raised to power 6. Again exponents are different and bases are same, so add them. Minus 10 by 11 raised to power 7 plus 6 equal to minus 10 by 11 raised to power 13. Next, part 11. 11 by 7 raised to power 8 multiply 21 by 22 raised to power 8. Here bases are different and exponents are same, so multiply both bases. 11 by 7 multiply 21 by 22. You can cut 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. 11 1s are 11, 11 2s are 22. Now multiply numerator by the other and denominator by the other. Denominator 1 multiply 3 and 1 multiply 2 raised to power 8. 3 by 2 raised to power 8. Next, see the last part, which is the part number 12. Minus x by y multiply minus x by y 11. You can see this base has no exponent and second base has exponent is 11. So you can write the note, if base has no exponent it means its exponent is 1. अगर किसी भी बेस का कोई भी पावर या कोई एक्सपोनेंट नहीं होता तो उसका मतलब है उसका एक्सपोनेंट 1 है. तो इसका मतलब इसके ऊपर कोई भी पावर नहीं है, कोई एक्सपोनेंट नहीं है, इट मीन्स इट हैज़ 1 एक्सपोनेंट. नाउ and you can see bases are same and exponents are 1 and 11 which are different. So you can follow the note number 1 of the product law. Minus x by y raised to power 1 plus 11 according to your next note 1 is equals to minus x by y and exponents are 1 plus 11 is equals to 12. I hope all questions are clear to you. I will send you pictures for this lecture. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.